Precision Italian loudspeakers, designed and manufactured in Reggio Emilia, Italy, to the exacting standards required by the professional loudspeaker market. Combining handmade elegance with the accuracy of robotic assembly and precise repeatability. Each component is tested to exacting tolerances throughout the process of assembly. Sound develops and manufactures compression drivers and cone transducers designed to your needs, your required specification, providing you with the expected performance of your system. There is a significant difference between loudspeakers built in huge factories with quantity and cost as the driving specification versus the refined, personal, hand-built quality and attention to detail that is performed in Reggio Emilia, Italy, the home and manufacturing center of 18 Sound. When you expect precision, let 18 Sound provide you with unequaled performance. Let 18 Sound put your vision into production.
passion, precision, quality, and respect for delivery times. This is our production. Thanks to state-of-the-art machinery, we manufacture a finished product of the highest quality. To ensure compliance to company standards, we carry out dimensional controls at all production phases. Cutting-edge machinery, the highest quality levels, accuracy, punctuality, and flexibility towards our clients, so as to meet all their needs in a friendly and professional way. This is BVAL. Try us out.
ඉතින් යාළුවනේ හැමදාම මේ වගේ වීඩියෝස් නරඹන්න තාමත් ඔයගොල්ලෝ SLD ල YouTube channel එක subscribe කරලා නැත්නම් පහළ තියෙන රතු පාට subscribe button එක select කරලා පුංචි bell icon එක click කිරීමෙන් වීඩියෝ release කරපු ගමන් notification එක ඕගොල්ලෝ ගාවටම ගෙන්න ගන්න පුළුවන්.